this is Zelda from TandZRVLife. Tony is out in the garden getting some vegetables from the last harvest from our friends. I'm at home alone, and yay, I'm so excited not to be home alone, but just having a nice cup of coffee. And see, Tony is represented here because this is his mug, and I don't have a mug because I broke mine and I need to get some more. Hold on. Excuse me. It's just clearing my throat. Nothing else. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that I am going back on keto my way. It's going to be called Keto My Way because before I was so strict, and yes, I lost 45 pounds on it, but I was driving my whole family crazy. Michael lost 35, and he said, I'm not going to do that. But Michael has been exercising and basketball, and he's going from this to this, and he's looking really well. I am doing keto. I'm keeping my carbs under 25 right now, and if I go above, I'm not panicking, but I don't want to go too much above that. I started last week on Saturday, and I have lost 5.6 pounds. 5.6 pounds, so almost 6 pounds. And I am keeping my fats around 70% of what I eat during the day. I'm keeping my carbs about 5 to 7%, and the remainder is protein. Well, just to share a little short story, because last night I was so hungry and I wanted something sweet. So I said, Michael, go up to the store and get me a diet tea. And if they don't have diet tea, get me a diet Sprite. Well, he goes up to the store and he brings me back this. Can you see it? Well, it's unsweetened tea. And I said, Michael, that's not diet. He goes, well, you said you didn't want sweet tea, so I got the unsweetened tea because it's not sweet. Isn't that right? And I thought that was funny, and I couldn't get upset with him. But I'm glad he did bring me this back. I drank most of it, but I did put a pack of a sweetener in here so that I didn't have to drink it straight. And I think I need a sip. Excuse me. Morning. So I just want to share that with you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to log my keto, what I'm doing on my keto playlist. So if you want to go back and look at that and see my journey from when I was bigger to smaller, and then I'm a little bit bigger now, but I'm going to trim down. My goal, I want to lose about 30 to 35 pounds. And so far I have reached 5 pounds of that 30 to 35, so it's 25 to 30 now. For my coffee, I used up the rest of my half and half, and that's what I've been using for the past week because that's what I had in the house. It worked fine for me. Now, if you choose you want to use the heavy cream in your coffee, that is absolutely fine. I use the half and half. It's working for me. My son likes to use a little bit of half and half when he makes his macaroni and cheese, so I will still continue to buy that. I will get some heavy cream in the house, but I find that this is working for me. I'm not going to try to change everyone. Tony does not want to be keto, but I am eating vegetables. What I do in my midday meal, if I eat later on in the afternoon, I add some vegetables to that. So we have in the garden green beans, peppers, tomatoes. I think mainly green beans and tomatoes right now. I think everything else is done. So I do eat that. Now, will I eat some fruit in the summertime? This week, yes, I have eaten fruit, but nothing like I was eating before. Before I was eating plates of watermelon and plates of cantaloupe. But if I eat a piece, I'm satisfied. I got the sweetness out of the way. I'm good. that's where right now I'm struggling with the sweet taste, the carb connection. But no white products like potatoes or rice or corn or I'm trying to think, bread, chips, cookies, candy. None of that I've had this week, and I think a lot of that was due to my weight loss was due to not having that. Also, I have been walking. I do not walk far. I walk right around our little neighborhood here. I don't know, you can't see it through the window because the sun is blocking it, but I just walk around my neighborhood. It is 2/10 of a mile. Not much. 5 minutes. That is it. That's all I want to do at this point. I don't want to go overboard and then I can't keep up with what I was doing before. I can't start back where I was left off. I can't start back where I left off because I was walking almost 2 miles a day then. I look back in my Fitness Pal. I reopened that back up, but I have it private just for me. And I saw where I was walking almost 2 miles a day. And I could see my weight loss in my journal. But now I am happy where I'm at. My goal is to lose about 30 pounds. And if I feel I look good at that point, before that, then so be it. I'll cut back and maintain on my keto, but I am very excited that I am at where I am at. I am down 5.6 pounds. I'm not going to share what my weight is at this point because I don't feel I need to. And I'm going to keep drinking my lovely coffee that I love. It's like a bulletproof coffee, except for I don't blend it. I just put it in there and drink it. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And please, if you have any questions, let me know. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put it over here. And if you have, like I said, other questions or anything else you want to see, let me know. I'm going to put up some pictures or a video of my masks that I make, and I'm also going to put up some pictures of dresses that I'm making, so that way you can see what I do. It's just modest dressing, and we'll go from there. We can't go by this dress because this one was my fluke, but hey, it is what it is. God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.